Introducing Mr. Steve, a businessman owner. For the past few months, he has been searching for a reliable steam boiler manufacturer near his location. Therefore, Mr. Steve decided to find a well-reputed steam boiler manufacturer in Australia. One day while he was surfing the web, he came across O'Brien Energy, which was prominently displayed on the top page of Google. Right away, he went through o'brienenergy.com.au as he wanted to learn more about their services. Mr. Steve discovered that they sell an impressive selection of steam boilers at competitive rates. Also, you won't have to worry about getting your necessary maintenance done late when their service team is there. Gaskets to doors, fuel modifications, improved burner goods, water tube assistance, and many more things are available there. By all-seeing, Mr. Steve dialed 1300771759 and talked to a representative about his requirements. If you are looking for something similar, you should get in touch with O'Brien Energy immediately.